Today we are going to update or edit the data for an existing patient record. This will be a patient that you have already entered into your MDinteractive account. First, choose your favorite web browser and go to www.mdinteractive.com. Once on our home page, you will then come down and enter in your username and password to access your account. Once you are in your account homepage, you will want to select Patient Record Search. Now that you are in the Patient Record Search section, you will want to be sure to select the PQRS measure or measures group for the data that has already been entered. In this case, we are going to search for a patient that we have already entered for the Preventative Care Measures group. As you can see, the Diabetes Measures group is currently selected. So you will use the drop-down arrows to select the appropriate measure that you will be searching under. And for our example, it will be the Preventative Care Measures group. Once you have selected the appropriate measure, you can then enter in data to search for your patient. You can search by your provider's last name. This will give you a list of all the patients who have been entered for preventative care measures for that provider. You are also able to put in your patient's last name and search specifically for that patient in the preventative care measures group, or you could also select a visit date range, and that would pull up patients that had been entered for visit dates within the range provided. For the purposes of this example, I'm going to enter in the last name of a particular patient. Once you've put in your variables, you will just hit Search Patient Records. Once the patient appears, you will then select the patient's name. Either the first or last name can be selected. You will then see a list of medical notes and data for that particular patient. You will notice that the patient's name is located in the upper left-hand corner. You can also see that the medical notes and data are all listed underneath. For the purposes of this example, we are going to edit the Preventative Care Measures group. So we will select that note by clicking on it. Now you can see all of the data for Miss Adams that has been entered for the Preventative Care Measures group. When looking at the data, you can see that certain items are missing. In this case, there is no information about the screening and brief counseling of alcohol use. So we can edit or add the information that was missed. We will do the same for the other missing information. Once you have completed or finished your editing process, you can then be sure to select Save Changes. Congratulations! Your patient record edits have been successfully saved. As you can see, it says here the note updated successfully. Now you can close out of Miss Adams Patient tab by going to the upper left-hand corner here. Then you can return to your home page by selecting Go next to the Home drop-down option. This takes you back to your account homepage, and you are ready to continue either entering new patients or searching patient records to continue the editing process. This completes your tutorial on how to edit patient records. Thank you.